In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com newsfeed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the feed, what you're looking at, and how to make sense of the headlines so you can stay on top of what's moving the currency markets. First, open the platform. You can use Forex.com's web trader in your browser or the mobile app if you prefer to trade on the go. Once the platform loads, log into your account as you normally would. Take a moment to let everything sync so prices and tools are fully up to date. This ensures that when you open the newsfeed, you're seeing the latest information without delay. Next, open the news section. On the platform, look for the option to add content to your workspace, then choose Add to Window and select Newsfeed. This will place the newsfeed panel into your current layout. If you don't see it right away, check your available panels or modules until the newsfeed appears. When it opens, you'll have a live stream of headlines designed to keep you informed in real time. Now start reading market headlines. The feed updates continuously, so think of it as your running timeline of what the market is reacting to right now. Each headline typically includes a brief description, a timestamp, and the source. Begin by scanning from top to bottom, noting anything labeled as breaking, as well as items tied to major economies or central banks. Even a quick skim helps you form a picture of the day's tone, whether risk on, risk off, or somewhere in between. You'll notice three main types of content in this feed. Breaking market news highlights urgent developments that can spark fast price moves, such as surprise policy remarks or geopolitical headlines. When you see these, consider how they might affect currency pairs directly linked to the story's region or asset class. Economic updates focus on scheduled data like employment reports, inflation prints, and interest rate decisions. These can shift expectations for central bank policy and often increase volatility around release time, so note the figures and whether they're above or below forecasts. Currency analysis offers commentary and context from market professionals. Use this to understand themes, support and resistance levels, and sentiment shifts, but treat it as insight rather than a trading signal. That's it. Open the platform, log in, add the news feed to your window, and read the headlines to track breaking market news, economic updates, and currency analysis. Keep the feed handy as you trade and let it guide your awareness of what truly matters in the moment.